Sick. Damn, on the side though. Okay. Whew, here's a close-up, guys. Oh man, I hope you guys can know like how good this looks. Hopefully it comes out really nice. I'm pretty excited for it. I've never had like a livery or an animation type of livery on the side of the car, but hey man, I got a Type R. You gotta do it. You gotta just full send it, y'all. Damn. And I also got some more surprises in store for the car, so we are not done yet. We're going to be doing a full build for this car and my channel, guys. So if you guys haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and follow the journey, guys, because we have a whole bunch of new content and creative content coming for you only here. And make sure you hit the bell for the notifications. I know some of you guys have been missing my videos and been saying that you haven't been seeing them on YouTube. Sometimes YouTube pushes certain algorithms. So if you guys want to stay ahead of the game and see my videos when they first come out, make sure you hit the bell so you get notified.
Yo, less ego and more soul. Trying to make it clear like a sore throat. They too concerned about my wardrobe, but they going broke. We've been praying for it, only Lord knows. Just got an invoice, had about 4 O's. Pick the locks when the doors close. This is my house, fuck a foreclosed. We staying in control, fuck the hormones. Come outside the hood, look like a war zone. Come first, my check everything, watch your jawbone. Back then they used to call her jawbone. We was little freaks watching porno, going crazy with the hormones. Now we paying car notes, lighting up like charcoals. Lost a couple homies, but I meet them at the crossroads. ISO on the hoodies, gotta ship them out like cargo. Back in high school, rock the polo with the cargos. Take a trip to Dad, Grandma Ursi had the car for. I need like 6 rings like the Bulls in Chicago. Cause we be out here 3-peating, pumping fan, they hard, you can hear it beating. Schooling all them and we still teaching. Wanna talk biz, we can set the meeting. Light us up, yeah, we still chiefin'. You be lucky if you still breathing. Always think before you start speaking. With yourself, you be still beefing. Cause they ain't real, they just real misleading. Trying to read me, but you misreading.
This you could remove that piece too.
Okay.
Just a part of that, like.
No, like just
yeah. Yeah, I thought the black would look really well with the image.
Yeah.
Because it.
You don't. You can just always rip it off.
Damn. Yeah, that's dope. Our YouTube family, so we are back and it is all done. Dang. Man, this came out so good, man. So good, y'all. Shout out to Elite Wraps for hooking it up. Dang, we got the Afro Samurai there. Bro, this looks so fire. This came out better than I even thought. The art looks so unreal. It looks so good, so clean. Definitely fits with the car, with the red and the black and the white and the gray. Damn, this thing is looking so good, man. Dang, like, yo, we got a Type R, dog. Like, guys, we are doing it, man. We're full sending it. The new wheels, got a whole bunch of stuff I'm gonna be updating you guys on with the car. Got some more mods coming. Tell me what you guys think in the comments below. Got the Afro Samurai on both sides, and I love the size. It's not too big, not too small. I think it fits perfectly with the styling of the car. I think it goes really well with just the image, the design. I love how the design wraps around the door handle right here, and then it goes right underneath that door handle, and then it just fits perfectly. Y'all see the vet over there? Got the vet. Man, we got the vet and we got the Type R. So many things. I want to keep the red emblem so that way it just matches. Got the Sub-Zero on the back. Got a whole bunch of stuff going on with the car. Got some more mods, and man, just I want to say thank you guys for watching my content. I know we've been with Subarus for a very long time, but I want to say I appreciate you guys for just following my journey with my cars, with my Type R, with the Z06 Corvette. It really means a lot to me that you guys have been sticking with me. For real, y'all, I just want to say thank you, man, for just supporting so much, guys. Man, we got so many big things coming. We got RS Future partnership coming with the Vet. We got a whole bunch of Aero, getting even more track ready. For the Type R, we got some more parts coming in. And just, man, guys, just so much is going on in the world. It's just, we've been going through it the last few years. But just want to say I really, truly appreciate you guys. I just hope that all of you continue to go after your dreams. Man, I had my C6, I had a WRX, and you guys have seen what hard work can do. You know, I want you guys to see and to truly believe that anything you put your mind to, you guys can definitely do it. And I just want the best for all of you guys. So keep working hard, y'all. If you guys like the video, hit the like button, follow the journey, hit the subscribe button. Like I always keep saying, guys, go after your dreams and make them reality. And be your own hero, because the world needs more heroes, and we all got the power to be one. Everyone have a great day, y'all. Let's get it. Peace.